One, two. Check me out right here, yo.
All right, man, Air Force One Fridays, getting back to it. This is only the second episode that I've done, so if you're unfamiliar, this is me sharing all of my new Air Force One pickups with you guys in a series. I'm only dropping these on Fridays. This is definitely something that I want to continue to do, so if you want to continue to see it, make sure you hit the thumbs up button so that I know you're enjoying this content and that it's a series you're interested in. So getting into this pickup today, I have something special for you guys that a lot of you may not have seen. This is a sneaker that was a Complex Con exclusive in 2016. But after it released at Complex Con, it never really had an official worldwide release. I think a lot of people have overlooked this shoe. Some of you may have seen it on blogs, some of you may not have seen it ever. I'm gonna show it to you first and then give you a little bit of a backstory about how I got these and where you can get a pair. So obviously this is a Nike SB box. These are not a pair of Nike SBs. This is just a replacement box. I think these are my Tiffany's or something like that, because when I bought these they didn't have a box. Without further ado, we've got the Nike Air Force One LA. So I don't really have to tell you why I like these. This is just a sneaker that's right up my alley. Very simple with the color choice and predominantly white. However, there's some nice details on this shoe that made me really want to get these. So a little bit of a backstory first before I break everything down. Like I said, these originally released at Complex Con in 2016. Undefeated, which was at Complex Con, released this sneaker in a few different colorways. So they dropped these, a black and white pair, and a blue and white pair. Now, I haven't seen many people with those other two. This is the sneaker that most people have seen. I believe those other two colorways were friends and family, but I'm not really sure. I'm trying to get some of the backstory. I was bidding on the blue and white pair on eBay. Someone had them on eBay, and I was outbid, and I wasn't gonna pay crazy prices for them. My max was like $160, and someone was paying over that. But this colorway is the best out of the entire pack, in my opinion. Obviously, they're Lakers colors. LA, put two and two together. You've got the LA logo in purple on the right side and on the tongue, and then the rest of the sneaker is just that white and gold. So supposedly after Complex Con, these released at a few LA boutiques and retailers. I don't know if that is true or not. If you're from LA, let me know. Did these drop at Undefeated or anywhere else in LA? They were supposed to, but I'm not sure if they did or not. So that was at the end of 2016. Fast forward a little bit to the end of 2017, these started showing up at Marshall's. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. These were on the racks at Marshall's. I'm not sure why or how. I wasn't able to find a pair at Marshall's, but a lot of resellers did. So some reseller found these at Marshall's and then threw them on eBay. People were asking crazy prices at first, thinking that they were gonna flip them for big bucks. Didn't happen. People are snoozing on these, absolutely snoozing. So now you can get these for right around retail or a little bit below. That's what I did. Retail was 89 bucks, which was the original retail price of the Air Force One. So I just stalked eBay for a while. I'll leave some links down below to some postings that you guys can get these for well under $100. This pair actually still has the numbered marking at the bottom of the sneakers that a lot of like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington Coat Factory retailers have. I'm not upset about that, but I wish it didn't have it. And the seller on eBay did not show a picture that it was marked at the bottom of the outsole. So I'm not really gonna be hooking you up with too much positive feedback, bro. You know that this had a marking on it and you didn't include it in the listing. I'm not saying you're whack, but you're definitely not getting a positive score back from me. I don't leave negative. I'm not gonna be doing anything like that. I'm just letting it go. I'm not giving you any feedback. So getting into the history of this shoe a little bit, this is actually a retro. They originally released in 2001, and I gotta say that the leather quality is spot on. It is super soft, and it is way better than any of the Air Force Ones that I've recently bought, except the Rockefeller Air Force Ones. So the fact that they were selling these at 89 bucks with this quality is a steal. You really got your money's worth if you went ahead and grabbed a pair of these. Are these the same color? Are these the same color? No, this is more of a true yellow. This is a gold. I think it's cool anytime there's a small logo on the back of an Air Force One. So these are definitely a sleeper pickup. If you want a pair, I will link them down below. And like I said, you definitely get your money's worth with this leather. So of course you guys want to see these on feet and how I styled them. That was something you guys had left in the comment section last time, that you wished I would style them a little bit and do more. I consider it like an upgraded on feet. So that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video. Let's get to that upgraded on feet. If you're not following me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, go ahead and do that. Links are down below, as well as other videos that I've dropped. If you missed the first Air Force Fridays, go check it out. Let's get into that on feet. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.